Welcome to Be Smart in Mathematics. Yes, CBSE board introduced case study based questions in class 10 mathematics in this academic year, means in the academic year 2021. And obviously, I will say case study based questions are very easy. Regularly in my channel, I am explaining the case study based questions. If you want, please subscribe my channel. And the case study based questions are very easy. Only one thing is you have to understand the given concept and you should know what are the formulas we have to apply. We have to solve the given questions. In my channel, I am regularly explaining the case study based questions. Please watch it. In previous videos, I explained 4 case study based questions in individually 4 videos. So I will send the 4 links in the description. Please go through that. Okay, yes, this is case study 5. This is application of trigonometry. So what is the concept? A boy standing on one side of a road observes that the angle of elevation of top of the pole standing on the opposite side is 60 degree. Okay, after that, when he moves 10 meter away from the road, then he finds that angle of elevation is 30 degree. Answer the following 5 questions. Okay, see here, this is the road. On one side a boy is standing here and he is observing the pole. Okay, at first time angle of elevation is 60 degree. Okay, yes, it is 60 degree. After that he moves 10 meters away from the road. See, here to here he moves and again observing the top of the pole. Then angle of elevation is 30 degree. Okay, this is the situation. You have to answer the following 5 questions. Okay, this is the road. One side at the edge pole is there. One side boy is standing at the edge and observing the pole. Angle is 60 degree, angle of elevation. After some time he is moving to 10 meters away from the road. Okay, this side. Yes, he is standing here and observing the top of the pole. Then angle of elevation is 30 degree. Okay, by using these given conditions, we have to answer the following 5 questions. Okay, according to the given question, first of all, we have to draw a model diagram. Model triangle we should draw. Okay, this is AB. Okay, pole. Pole is there, no? Pole you have to remember. Okay, you name it as AB. Let it be H meter. We don't know height of pole, no? Let it be H. Okay, after that, AC. AC is width of road. Okay, width of road. Width of road is AC. Okay, the width of road also we don't know, name it as X meter. Okay, this width is X meter. Okay, from the point C, he is observing the top of the pole. Okay, I will erase and I will draw it clearly. See here, from the point C, he is observing the top of the pole. Okay, then angle is 60 degree. Okay, after that, from the point C, he is moving 10 meters away from the road. AC is road, no? He is moving 10 meters away. Okay, for example, name this point as D. From the point D, he is observing again top of the pole. Then angle of elevation is 30 degree. Okay, here to here distance is 10 meter. Okay, we have to use the given condition and we have to solve it. Okay, go to the first question. Yes, you have to find the height of the pole. Yes, we have to find the height of the pole. So this is the diagram. AB is a pole. Name its height is H meter. AC is a width of the road, name it is as X. Okay, after that he moves 10 meters away to the point D and he observed an angle of elevation is 30. At the point C, angle of elevation is 60. All these things are given in the question. Okay, we have to find the height of the pole. For this, we have to use the first triangle ACB we have to use. In triangle ACB, you should take a tan 60. Tan 60 is equal to opposite side. Okay, opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, tan 60. What is the tan 60 value? Tan 60 value is root 3. Tan 60 opposite side. What is the 60 opposite side? AB. AB is equal to how much? H by 60 adjacent side. What is the 60 adjacent side? 60 adjacent side is AC. AC means X. In the next step, it becomes X is equal to H by root 3. Okay, H by root 3. So, we will use this equation. Name this equation as 1. Okay, name this equation as 1. After that, you should go for in triangle, okay, DAB. You should go for the big triangle. You should go for the big triangle DAB. What is the angle in the big triangle? Yes, angle in the big triangle is 30 degrees. So, tan 30 is equal to opposite side to 30 by adjacent side to 30. Tan 30 means what? 1 by root 3. 30 opposite side. What is the 30 opposite side? AB. AB is H by 30 adjacent side. 30 adjacent side is, we are talking about big triangle. Okay. 30 adjacent side is this whole. 30 adjacent side is AD. Okay, we are talking about big triangle. 30 adjacent side is AD. So, AD means X plus 10. Okay, take out X plus 10. Now, you have to solve. Do cross multiplication. X plus 10 is equal to H root 3. So, this is equal to 10 is equal to H root 3 minus X. Okay, so 10 is equal to H root 3. X means, see the first equation. What is the value of X here? X means H by root 3, no? So, here X is there. You can write H by root 3 follows by equation 1. Okay, you have to solve it. This is equal to root 3. Now, H root 3 into root 3 minus H. So, this is equal to 10. Root 3 into root 3 means 3H minus H by root 3. Okay, so this is equal to 10. 3H minus H means 2H by root 3. So, this implies 10 into 2 by root 3 will come here. Root 3 by 2 into H. So, 10 in 2 in 10, 5 times. So, 5 root 3. So, H is 5 root 3. H means what? Height of the pole. It is 5 root 3. So, answer is 5 root 3. Now, go to the second question. You have to find the width of road. Okay, width of road. Width of road is X. But see here, X is equal to how much? H by root 3. Okay, in the above question, first equation. So, we have to use that. X is equal to H by root 3. H, in the previous question, we calculated. What is the H value? H value is 5 root 3. In the above question, we calculated H. It is 5 root 3, no? By H means 5 root 3 by root 3. Okay, now root 3 cancel, 5 meter. So width of the road is 5 meters. So option C is correct. After that, third question. If he moves the middle of the road and observes the top of the same pole, then the angle of elevation, observe that. He is moving to the middle of the road and again he is observing the top of the pole. According to that, we should draw triangle. Yes, AB is a pole. It is having 5 root 3 meter. AC is the width of the road, that is 5 meter, and he is moving middle of the road. So middle of the road means what is 5 by 2? Yes, 5 by 2 is 2.5. So this is 2.5 and this is also 2.5. So he is at the point here. Okay, he is middle of the road, means this side 2.5, this side 2.5. So he is standing at the point D and he is observing the top of the pole. Okay, he is standing at exactly middle of the road at the point D. Its width is become half of the road, means it becomes a 2.5. So you have to take in triangle DAB, you have to go for tan theta. Tan theta means opposite side by adjacent side. So what is the theta opposite side? Theta opposite side by 5 is 5 root 3 by adjacent side. Theta adjacent side is 2.5. So now tan theta is equal to 2.5 in 5 how many times? 2 times. So 2.5 will go in 5 2 times. Okay, that's all. This is the final equation. Tan theta is equal to 2 root 3. Where is the option? Yes, option C is correct. Now go to the next question. You have to find the angle of depression from the top of the pole to the other side of the road where boy is standing at the edge of the road. So you have to find a angle of depression. Okay, yes, everybody knows this. Angle of elevation from a point C to the point B is equal to angle of depression from the point B to the C. Okay, so what is the elevation here? What is the elevation here? 60 degree. So here also angle of depression is 60 degree. So option C is correct. Okay, now next question. If he moves 15 meter away from road and observing the top of the pole, then the angle of elevation follows. Okay, he is moving 15 meter away. Yes, AB is a pole, AC is a width of the road and he is moving 15 meters away. So 15 meters away means from the point C, he is moving 15 meters away. He is at the point, name this point as E. Name this point as E. Now you have to take in triangle EAB. You have to go for tan theta. Tan theta means opposite side. What is the opposite side by adjacent side? What is the opposite side to theta? 5 root 3. Adjacent side to theta is 5 plus 15. Okay. Adjacent side to theta is, you should include 5 and 15. So this becomes 5 root 3 by 20. Okay, this is tan theta. Now tan theta is equal to 5 root 3 by 30 means answer is root 3 by 4. So what is the correct answer? What is the equation? Tan theta is equal to root 3 by 4. This is the correct answer. In given option, none of the correct answer is given, but this is the correct answer. Okay, tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. Theta opposite side is 5 root 3, adjacent side is 5 plus 15. So by means 20. So 5 root 3 by 20. So 5 in 20 4 times. So tan theta is equal to root 3 by 4 is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. For more case study videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.